Hello, Lance Gutterson again from the sunny shores of Estrella del Mar, Mazatlan, Mexico. And as the monument just inside the front gate states, we're almost 40 years away from the anniversary of March 30th, 1984, where the first stone was laid here at the resort. And they're now booking reservations for the 1st of April, so it looks like a reality for a spring opening of the Dreams Hotel by Hyatt here at Estrella del Mar, Mazatlan, Mexico. And to explain, they've had hundreds of people on site working every day, though this was Christmas Eve when I did this drone footage. So, 40 years in the making, the Dreams Hotel by Hyatt's becoming a reality. 90 days out. Happy holidays, and hasta la vista.